I thought this protective mask looked goofy, but I can definitely see it being actually pretty useful. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I picked up this face mask because I actually thought this could be pretty useful. A lot of times I just put on goggles and then kind of cut metal or wood or whatever, and I get little stuff in my mouth, I get in my hair, I'm kind of blowing stuff out of my nose for a long time, and so a face mask like this is kind of interesting, and it's a big piece of plexiglass. It's actually pretty robust. You can see how it curves there. It kind of makes you look like RoboCop. But if I go ahead and throw it on, one of the things that I want to show you is that we have kind of the soft silicone around the edges, so it does kind of conform to your face for the most part. You can definitely tighten this up. And if you have a big head like me, giant sized, oversized, 7.5-inch head size, this thing actually still fits pretty good. You probably can't hear me that well through the plastic here, but I do want to show you here on the bottom too. What you have is this little vented portion. That's obviously to let air in and out, and you can actually buy little filter pads that go in there. So if you're in a dusty environment and you don't want stuff going in your nose, your mouth, but you want to be able to talk and speak clearly and not necessarily have a different mask on your face, you know how inconvenient and annoying those little paper face masks are. This could be a great way to filter that air, protect your whole face, and not necessarily feel like you have stuff all over. Big goggles, a face mask, all of that. So I can definitely see something like this being pretty useful. And I was just thinking, when I'm in my workshop, like I said, cutting, creating a lot of dust. Sometimes I'm cutting carbon fiber or graphite. I definitely don't want to breathe that stuff in. I definitely don't want it lodged in my nose hairs at all. And so I can just get the filter, maybe even cut a paper filter myself and put that in there, but you can order like 10 packs of those. This can be something that can be a lot easier to take on and off and protect your face. Now, I feel a little bit like Iron Man wearing this thing, but I'm pretty excited about using it. If you want to pick up a face mask to protect your whole face from getting abused, damaged, screwed up, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.